Many of us have seen a globe, and by observing carefully, we have seen there are many vertical and horizontal lines on this. What are their significances? Who drew it first? Let's see in this video and watch this video till last. Welcome to Gyan Vandanam. Let's begin. Ptolemy was the first person to draw lines of latitude and longitude on a map. In his book Geographia, a detailed description is given. Latitudes are imaginary horizontal lines on the globe. 0 degree line of latitude is known as equator. It divides Earth into two equal halves. The lines of latitude between equator and a north is called as northern latitude, whereas the lines of latitude between equator and a south pole is known as the southern latitude. Latitudinal extent between 1 degree line of a latitude on earth is 111 kilometers. Means if you want to travel from 0 degree equator to the first 1 degree equator, you have to cover 111 kilometers. Importance line on the line of the latitude. Earth rotates on its axis at an inclination of 23 and a half degrees. Like this, you can see in this globe also it is tilted, and when you measure you will get 23 and a half degree based on the angle at which sun's ray fall on the earth. Because our earth rotates at an inclination, so sun's rays do not fall equally on the earth, and this creates torrid zone, temperate zone and frigid zone on the earth. Torrid zone. Here sun's rays fall vertically over this region and average temperature is very high. The region between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn is torrid zone. Temperate zone. Sun's rays fall slantingly, moderate temperature prevails in this region. The region between Tropic of Cancer to Arctic Circle in the north and Tropic of Capricorn to the Antarctic Circle in the south. These two regions are the temperate zone. Frigid zone. Here sun's rays do not fall very properly and hence here temperature is very low. In the south, Antarctic Circle to South Pole and in north, Arctic Circle to North Pole. Longitude are the imaginary vertical lines which connect North Pole and South Pole. 0 degree line of longitude is called the prime meridian. What do you think? Can you not take this line as a 0 degree line of a longitude? Why there is a specific line, and when it is chosen, we will see in the next slide. Let's first see there are total 360 lines of longitude. 180 lines from 0 degree prime meridian toward east there are total 180, and towards south there are total 180 lines of longitude. Hence there are total 360 lines of longitude. Let's see significance of longitude. First, many times or maybe you have heard that India's standard time is GMT plus 5.5 an hour. Obviously you can see this in your clock application in a device, but what is meant by GMT? GMT means Greenwich Mean Time. I discussed about the 0 degree line of longitude which is known as a prime meridian. You will see that line 0 degree line of longitude also known as Greenwich Meridian line. In 1884, International Meridian Conference was held and all nations agreed on choosing the Greenwich Meridian as International Standard Meridian. This 0 degree line of longitude passes through Greenwich, and hence this 0 degree line of longitude known as prime meridian and also Greenwich Meridian. This Greenwich Meridian is used to calculate time in different countries because a time taken by Earth to complete 1 day, first we should know what is the time taken by the Earth to complete 1 day, and I will answer how we calculate times in different countries. In 24 hours, our Earth rotates 360 degrees, and in 1 hour, Earth rotates 15 degrees. Since 1 hour means 60 minutes, therefore in 60 minutes, Earth rotates 15 degrees. So in 1 degree, Earth requires 4 minutes to cover 1 degree. And our India's standard time is GMT plus 5:30. Let's consider in a Greenwich, a person is standing and the sun is overhead. Then that person know time is 12 o'clock of noon. But what will be the time in India? Since we know the 1 degree is equal to 4 minutes, and our Earth, our India, consider 82 and a half eastern line of longitude as prime meridian to calculate Indian Standard Time. So 82.5 degree equal to 82.5 into 4. So we got 330 minutes, and finally 5 hours plus 30 minutes. Means when in Greenwich there is a timing 12 noon, then in India there will be timing 5 hours and 30 minutes of evening. International deadline. 180 line of longitude has been fixed as international deadline, drawn on the Pacific Ocean between Alaska and Russia through Bering Strait, and this line is in a zigzag manner because this line avoiding country. If this line passes through a country, then there will be two deaths, and which is not logical. If a person crosses this line from west to east, he loses a day. But if he crosses this line from east to west, he gains a day. The significance of latitude and longitude we have separately. Longitudes are very useful for determination of time and also date. Latitude, say there are many temperature zone on the earth, but we use location like Google Maps, and in many occasions we use this location application in our Android mobile or any devices. But how this location work is also work on the latitude and the longitude. If you see location of Taj Mahal, the location of Taj Mahal is 27 degree 10 minutes 16.20 second in a north, means above equator, and 78 degree 02 minute 19.20 second in eastern hemisphere, means it is toward east of 0 degree prime meridian. So if you like this, if you like this video, then like, share and subscribe. Thank you.